What if the boundary of impossible is not a horizon, but a horizon we simply haven't willed ourselves to cross? In the vast expanse of human endeavor, where the impossible is often etched as an unbreachable boundary, a new frontier is actively being forged. Acting Labor Secretary Keith Sonderling found himself amidst a $15 billion investment, a testament to sheer scale. The 1 million square foot Starbase Texas complex. He witnessed not just ingenuity, but a visceral testament to the human spirit conquering perceived limitations. This is the stark reality of American ambition. A vision that transmutes the abstract into the tangible, seeding the future with generations prepared to push beyond the known. SpaceX's Starbase operates on a paradigm shift, a linear adjacent flow production system, a radical departure from the slow, painstaking rituals of legacy aerospace. While others once toiled in tent days with an artisanal approach, Starbase aims for a staggering symphony of one Starship rocket produced daily. This relentless drive for velocity is woven into the very fabric of their process. It begins with raw 300 series stainless steel. Merely 4 mm thick, this material undergoes a transformation. It is unspooled, precisely cut into 1.8 meters wide sheets, then meticulously joined into 9 meters diameter rings. These rings, stacked in precise segments of 3 or 5, are then robotically welded, achieving the flawless integrity demanded by cryogenic propellants. Contained at pressures exceeding 36,000 psi, the Starship rocket itself is a tripartite marvel, each section built in parallel. The apex, housing the nose and payload bay, is adorned with brittle ceramic heat shield tiles, their installation a delicate dance of precise gaps, to manage the thermal fury of re-entry plasma against the frigid depths of cryogenic operation. The central section cradles propellant tanks, unified by a common dome divider. The aft section hosts the engine arrays. All three are feats of automated robotics and manual welding, a harmonious fusion for absolute structural resilience. The grand finale unfolds within the Gigabay, a colossal 116 meters tall structure. Its 46 million cubic feet of volume, capable of simultaneously housing 24 Starship spacecraft and super heavy boosters. Here, the intricate choreography of plumbing, wiring, external finishing, and the final application of thermal tiles precedes the installation of engines. Only after this comprehensive assembly does the vehicle endure rigorous stress tests and a final hot fire, signaling its readiness for the void. Government observers, anticipating the familiar, layered management and deliberate pace of traditional defense contractors, instead find a flattened organizational chart. Here, floor engineers are empowered to make real-time judgments, enabling an awe-inspiring transformation from a Tuesday discovery to Friday hardware. This is the physical tempo of a tech factory, a stark contrast to the sterile quietude of a clean room. This relentless iteration demands round-the-clock shifts and hyper-coordinated crews, presenting an ongoing regulatory tension. Between this breakneck pace and crucial OSHA oversight, South Texas, once a quiet expanse, has been irrevocably reshaped into a specialized manufacturing labor hub, a beacon for reviving domestic industry. Yet, the question looms, can this SpaceX-specific model, defined by its intense hours and singular decision-making, truly scale to a national level? Or will its cosmic ambition remain a singular, breathtaking anomaly? We found the process. We still don't know if it can be replicated.